really after a long time, we have seen a decent run up in the broader indices. As of now, the Nifty index is up by around 280 points, heading back to 22,800 zone. We have noticed that last 5 months were negative for Indian market, starting from October to Feb 2025. Looking at the recent market scenario, we believe that now short covering trigger will happen from the FIs front. The good part is that market is from the base near 22,000 zone just couple of weeks back or couple of days back, and now it is decisively holding well above 22,500 marks. And we believe that till Nifty holds about 22,500, ongoing bounce could extend to us 23,000 to 23,333. Similarly, if you look at the Bank Nifty index, that also witnessed the decent recovery. For the days, rallied by around 800 points. In last 5 trading sessions, the banking index has seen a spike of more than 1,500 points. So major trend and setup is now again turning upwards after the corrective move of last 5 months. And we believe that Bank Nifty needs to hold above 48,500 to extend the rally towards 50,000. So 23,000 to 23,333 in Nifty and 50,000 in the Bank Nifty are the level where we are expecting, which is 2 to 3% up move from the current level, and that may give the relief sign to the bulls in the market. So already the Dow has seen a corrective move of around 3,500 points in last 6 to 7 weeks. And now it has taken support at 40,500 marks. It has negated its lower top, lower bottom. And we believe that recovering the Dow could see the positive stance in the across the equity market. So expecting recovering the Dow as well as recovering the Indian market as well. I believe that Dow can see the recovery towards 42,500 to 42,750. The only concern for Indian market is the selling from FIs. But if Dow recovers with some positive comment from Trump, then I believe the positivity will be there across the equity market. However, we have seen a surge in the gold prices in last couple of days. But again, that is because of the inflation hedge and some global concerns. So I believe the gold can perform along with silver, and equity market can recover well from lower levels. So in the recent market decline, most of the sector have seen a corrective move because the index itself has seen a correction of around 15 to 16%. And I believe that selective sector can do well and there will be alpha generation. We have positive on the Nifty Bank, which can see some recovery led by outperformance. Selective banking name can see the positive stance, including ICICI Bank or Kotak Bank. Few financials could be in focus, whether we talk about the Bajaj Finance. Apart from banking, I believe consumption theme will continue to do well in Indian market. It may be the travel and tourism, maybe hotel or QSR, online payment gateways. So I believe one has to focus on these names. So one can look at the counter like Indian Hotel, Paytm, Zomato, Policy Bazaar. And with the recovery in the market, most of these stocks may turn from lower zone. And risk reward ratio is quite favorable because most of these counter have seen a corrective move around 15 to 30% from higher levels. So as of now, market has met the bottom near 22,000 and today it has given a consolidation breakout about 23,580 marks. We have seen a run-off of almost 400 points in last 2 days. So because of that, upside could be kept. Market may turn range bound. But again, buy on decline could continue. Overall, we are expecting Nifty to head towards 23,000. So one can buy 22,800 call, sell 23,000 call, initiate 200 point spread to play the positive stance by paying the premium of 60 to 75 points. So DIs are continuously buying, but foreign friends are continuously selling, and that is the reason that market witnessed a corrective move from higher levels in last 5 months. There are multiple reasons that why FIs are selling, but the good part is DIs are buying, and SIP flow continuously hovering at higher zone in the Indian market, along with new opening of the demat account. After the 2 days recovery, if FIs comes for short covering trigger, I believe that could be the game changer for the short-term bottom process and the recovery in the market. So DIs buying could continue, and there is the chances of now change in the stance from FIs because already they are continuously selling from last 4 months. They have sold to the tune of around 3.5 lakh crore worth of equity. So now their change in stance could give some breather and relief to the Indian market. already I discussed couple of names, including Kotak Bank, ICICI Bank in the banking, financial, Bajaj Finance, Indian Hotel, Paytm, Zomato. I think these stocks can do well in the recent market scenario. And I believe if market recovers, then there will be the broad-based buying at current zone, because most of the beaten down counter will see the bargain buying. In auto, one can look at Mahindra and Mahindra as well, which fell down after the news of the Tesla coming to India. But major trend of the counter is positive and the recent decline could be bought. Selective metal name could be in focus like Jindal Steel. So these are the 7 to 8 name which one can keep on radar to play some bullish stance and the recovery stance of the market.